In this video, I'll show you how to add Apple App Store reviews to your Wix Studio website. It's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed, and to get started, I have added a link in the description that you need to follow, so do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a couple different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding, and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. You can simply copy and paste the link right into your search bar, or what you could also do is search for Elfsight. That's going to bring you to this website where you're going to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the reviews section, and down below you will find Apple App Store reviews. Be sure to click on that so we can get started. Next, you want to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for Free. Now that's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. To expand the window, simply press on F11, and what you could also do is on the corner of the frame, click on the expand arrows. Now the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to what you're looking for now, and for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click on Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. Now you'll be taken to the page where you can start customizing your widget, and on the left-hand side, we have about 6 options. On the source section, this is where you can add your Apple App Store app link to display your reviews. To do that, simply head over to Apple App Store. In here, what I want to do is choose this application as the one that I will add within my reviews. What you can do is click on Share, and in here, you can simply copy the link. What you could also do is head over to the URL, highlight, and then press on Ctrl+C to copy. Now head over back to Elfsight, head over to your Apple App Store URL on the source, and then press on Ctrl+V to paste. Once you do that, the application should show. What you could also do is add an AI-generated summary on your source, and if you click on Turn it on, it will show within the widget. You can also change the summary style to a list or a text if that is something that you want to do. On the layout section, this is where we can change our layout, and if you click on See All Layouts, this is where you will see all of the layouts that are available, and you can try on within your widget. And once you're done selecting your layout, just go over to the top and the right-hand side and then click on Done. At the bottom, you can also customize the layout depending on the layout that you have chosen. You can change the width, the columns, the rows on desktop, rows on mobile, as well as the item spacing. And if you have chosen the carousel or slider layout, you will have an autoplay option as well as change the animation. On the header section, this is where you can add a header, and if you don't want to add that, just simply tick it off. On the header section, you have a few different styles to choose from. And below, you can also tick the elements that you want to add within the header. You can also add a widget title, tick it on or off, and you can also add a caption within the title. On the review section, this is where you can change your review style. You have about 3 options that you can select from. And at the bottom, you can also change the review source style. And once you click on Customize here below, you will have the options that you want to add within your review style. On the style section, this is where you can change the color scheme from light to dark, and even change the accent color depending on the widget. You can also customize the elements below. You can change the color of the background, widget title, header, rating, review, navigation arrows, as well as pagination. On the settings section, you can even change your language and add a auto-translate review. And once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button in the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you need to either sign up or log in into Elfsight if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top and right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page, and from here, just go ahead and click on copy code on the right hand side. And now it's time to head back to our Wix Studio Website Designer. Once you're on your Wix Studio Website Designer, the first step here is to choose which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, hover in between two sections, and then click on Add Section. Below, you want to choose Add an Element as your starting point. On the left-hand side, you want to hover onto Embed in Social, simply click on that one. Under Embed Code on the right-hand side, you want to click on the plus sign to add to site. From here, you want to go to the top and then click on Enter Code. And on the left-hand side, you just want to make sure that we are working on a blank slate, so anything that is in here, be sure to highlight and delete that. Next, press on Ctrl V to paste the code, and at the bottom, you just want to click on Update so we can view the changes. Once you do, you should be able to see the widget, and on the corners of the frame, you will see the circles. Simply hold and then drag in order for you to expand the widget. One thing that I want to add is how you can change the font of the widget without going back to Elfsight. I have here a personalized code that I've shared with you in the description of this video. Simply head over to Code to customize text, highlight the start until the end of the code, right-click, and then click on Copy. Now let's head over back to Wix. In here, you want to click on the widget. At the top, click on Edit Code. On the left-hand side, we just want to paste the code, so press on Ctrl V to paste the code. Now, under Font Family on the right-hand side, this is where you can change the fonts that you want it to be. And once you're done, simply head over to the Update button here below so we can view the changes. As you can see, we have successfully changed the font of the widget without going back to Elfsight. Now the next step is to preview the site, and to do that, head over to the top bar, and on the right-hand side, simply click on the eye to preview. And as you can see, we now have Apple App Store reviews on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.